Normally in Fanuc controller, we used to get SV384, that is access soft face alarm external, SV0385 serial data error external, 0386 external or internal. So what does alarm means? SV0384 soft face alarm external or internal. Thus digital servo software detected abnormal data on the separator detector. SV0385 serial data error external or maybe internal. The communication data could not be received from the separator detector. These are all linked to your external encoder or maybe Fanuc motor encoder. SV0386 data transfer external error. A CRC error or a stop bit has occurred in the communication data from a standalone detector, that is your scale. So friends, what is EXT and ENT used for this alarm means? Just think. EXT means external, which is your external scale, maybe you make of Hedenen or any make. INT means internal. Internals are the Fanuc encoder. Internal alarm means there is a problem due to the below reasons. Access servo amplifier is faulty, encoder is faulty, or maybe encoder cable is faulty. So how to troubleshoot the alarm? First we need to identify whether the problem is with access drive or not. First, interchange the cable JF1 and JF2 with each other at the drive end and check whether alarm is there or not. If alarm is still there, then there is a problem with the drive access control card. You need to replace it, the amplifier control card. Second, we need to identify whether the problem is with encoder. Just simply interchange the encoder of the access. If the problem repeats, then the problem is with encoder cable. If the problem swap, then there is a problem with the encoder. Now external alarm. External alarm may be because of due to following below reasons. External scale is faulty, whatever the scale which manufacturer has used in your access. Same, scale reader is faulty and scale cable is faulty. Friends, scale reader normally scale doesn't get faulty as it misbehave due to the some dirt or some moisture or maybe whatever the things come into the glass or a reader of the scale. How to troubleshoot external alarm? First, we need to identify whether the problem is with scale unit. We need to just interchange the cable from SDU. If the problem shifts to, then the problem is with the scale units. If the problem remains, then the problem is with the SDU unit. This is the SDU unit which is installed normally in your machine for interfacing scale and your Fanuc controller. After identifying the above problem, we need to identify whether the problem is with scale unit or cable. Just interchange the communication cable at the scale end. If the problem remains, then the problem is with the scale unit. If the problem is swap, then the problem is with the cable. You need to replace the cable. Simple. If the problem is with the scale unit, then there is the possibility scale unit is dirty. How to clean the scale? Let's explain. In the screen, you can see there are two screws at the end of the scale. Just remove all the mounting bolts of the scale and take out the scale unit from your machine. Remove these two end screws and remove the end cap. Normally, slide the reader unit towards the end and take it out from the scale unit. In some of the cases, we are having a torque screw installed in end of the scale. It depends on the manufacturer. After taking out the reader from the scale unit, just clean this glass which is shown in your screen with a contact cleaner and let it dry, or clean it with the clean cotton. After doing so, assemble the scale unit and fit it back on the machine and try to power on. Hope if your scale unit is not faulty, then if some dust are there, it may solve your problem. Hope friends, I was able to clear your difficulties about this alarm. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. This is your friend signing out from TGC Technical Gyan Center.